as she stepped off the train into the bustling streets of Tokyo, Emily's eyes widened in awe. The vibrant sounds and colors surrounding her were a far cry from her quiet hometown in the Midwest, where the most exciting thing that ever happened was the annual county fair. But here, the air pulsed with energy, and she felt a thrill of excitement. Little did she know, this chance encounter would become the catalyst for her own journey of self-discovery. The Japanese woman, Yumi, who approached her with a warm smile, introduced herself in perfect English. Konnichiwa, my name is Yumi. Welcome to Tokyo. As Emily's eyes locked onto Yumi's, she felt a sense of relief wash over her. The language barrier that had been weighing on her since her arrival began to dissipate, and she found herself responding in broken Japanese. Konnichiwa, arigatou gozaimasu, watashi wa Emily desu. Yumi's eyes lit up with delight. Ah, you're trying to speak Japanese. That's wonderful. Let me help you with your pronunciation. And as they strolled through the city streets, Yumi patiently corrected Emily's mistakes, and slowly but surely, the language began to click into place. The sounds, the syntax, the idioms, all began to make sense, and Emily felt a sense of pride and accomplishment with each passing minute. As they stopped at a small cafe, Yumi ordered a cup of matcha for herself, and Emily ordered a latte in broken Japanese. Matcha o kudasai. The barista looked at her with a confused expression, and Yumi intervened. Arigatou sumimasen. I think she means a latte. And as they sipped their coffee, Emily turned to Yumi and asked, "How did you learn English, Yumi-san?" And Yumi's eyes sparkled with a faraway look. "Ah, I moved to the United States for college, and I had to learn English from scratch. It was tough at first, but I was determined to succeed, and I practiced every day, watching TV shows, listening to music, and speaking with native speakers." Emily's eyes widened in admiration. "That's amazing, Yumi-san. You're so fluent." And Yumi smiled humbly. "It's all about practice and a willingness to learn. And I think that's the key to language learning, don't you?" And as they continued their conversation, Emily felt a sense of connection with Yumi and a newfound appreciation for the Japanese culture, the language, and the people. And she realized that language learning was not just about grammar and vocabulary, but about connection and understanding. And as they parted ways, Emily felt a sense of gratitude towards Yumi and a newfound sense of purpose to continue learning and to connect with others through language. And as she walked back to her hostel, she felt a sense of excitement and anticipation for the next chapter in her language learning journey and the people she would meet along the way.